Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure Blockman Go and your OS are updated. Mismatched versions often cause timeouts. Once done, force close the app and clear the cache to remove corrupted session data. This resets local connection attempts. Next, change your network. Try Wi-Fi, then mobile data, or a different hotspot, because transient ISP or router problems commonly cause server timeouts. If you see improvements, pause here and register the stable network. Otherwise, move on to targeted network fixes. Now you tackle network layers. Flush the device DNS or set a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid stale resolution. Then inspect your router. Enable UPnP or ensure NAT type is open. Reboot router/modem to clear ISP hiccups. Also, test without VPNs, proxies, or third-party firewalls. These intercept or slow packets and cause timeouts. If your home router blocks ports, open the recommended game ports. After each change, relaunch Blockman Go to verify progress. Finish by reinstalling Blockman Go if symptoms persist. A fresh install resolves corrupted binaries and resets network hooks. Make sure you have your account details before removing the app. Next, check whether servers are down or under maintenance. Try again during off-peak hours since overloaded servers mimic timeouts. If nothing helps, capture connection logs, timestamps, and screenshots. Then contact support with that evidence. Providing precise times and steps speeds resolution and helps them identify whether it's your network or their servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.